helps us out. But no, we do not have an estimated time of how long this is going to take. Remember, freight guys a little bit slower than us Amtrak people, as they are getting paid by the hour, and they move very slow to stretch it out. So, ladies and gentlemen, we do not know how long it's going to take. They're going to work safely and get it done as quickly as they possibly want. We get more information, we'll give it to you.
Okay, train derailed up front. I meant somewhere up ahead. It's going to take a little while. This is interesting. Well, lucky I don't leave St. Louis till 11. I guess. Bye.